Hello everybody! A few years ago we made a roadmap for the future of our company. In this roadmap we've written down that we want to launch 2 new products per year. Products that are no longer interchangeable, products that are distinctive and indispensable, products that create additional benefits and added value to our customers, to our pro users. Today we are not only launching one product, today we are launching a full new line of products. Today, we are launching our new line of bending tools.
Let's talk about bending tools. Bending tools are generally nothing new to the market. It's a kind of standard product, nationally as well as internationally. The question is, why do we need another line of bending tools when there are already products on the market?
Well, we looked at all the products on the market and we noticed some things about them that is pretty much the same everywhere.
We believe that we can improve things for you. We believe that you want sturdier rods so that they are robust enough for the job you have to do. We believe that you want to grab it right, with the right handle in the right place. We believe that you want a forming roller especially designed for sheet metal working.
Let's talk about our new line of products. We use a super sturdy construction. We use components in our product that are also used for engines in cars. In our line, we use a handle that gives you an ideal grip. It is the first handle in the market in this category of products where you can really grab and hold your tool. And number 3, we use an excellently designed forming roller that gently forms the sheet metal. This is our new line of bending tools. We call them hard chrome bender, and they do not only look brilliant, they are brilliant on sheet metal. Our line has a lot of features, but today we would like to concentrate on the 3 main points. So this is super sturdy, handy, and brilliant on sheet metal. The pro user wants to create bends that are exact, straight, and always the same on the entire length of the sheet. The quality of the rods decide to a large extent whether this is possible or not, because they are not supposed to have any tolerance. For this reason, we are using 16mm rods.
Most other products in the market use 15mm rods. This means ours are extra robust and also ensure precision with high bends.
But the difference is not only 1mm in diameter, because this is only one point. We also install engine quality components. Extremely hard, extremely durable.
But we even go one step further. Our moving parts are also extremely robust. Our bending rollers are made of one piece with integrated ball bearings. We do not use assembled bending rollers from different parts, and we do not use standard assembled ball bearings.
So far for robust, let's talk about handy. You have a premium tool, and of course, you should be able to hold it well in your hand. But it's not that obvious. We have found a solution for this problem, a simple but very efficient solution. Our handle is in the right place, always where you need it, because it's assembled on the body of the bender, not on the rods. That's a big difference. This is why you can really grip and hold them. This way, the handle becomes a natural extension of your hand. You can either hold it in this position, or you can hold it in this position. Here we have an example of how it's used on a job site, and here how it is used in a shop. It's really easy and you can grip it well. This is the feature, by the way, that most of our test users found out right away, so they were impressed how simple that is. On top of that, our handle can be used at any extension length because the rods are sliding through the handle. They work on a small extension length, they work on a middle extension length, but most importantly, they work on a large extension length. And this is a real benefit of that. And that's really easy. To bring it to the point again, our line is very handle because the handle sits in the right place. It's made for your hand and it works at any extension length. Why is our line of benders brilliant on sheet metal? The rods are hard chrome plated and run in sliding bushes that we have installed in the body of the bender. There is absolutely no play in this part. It's all tight. And the chrome plating makes it even harder and even smoother. And this is especially important for the depth adjustments. Ours runs like lubricated, but it is not. And you don't need to lubricate it at all, and still the adjustment slides perfectly. It feels great when working with this, and this is what we got as feedback from our test users. They said, well, it's great how easy you can adjust it and how accurate you can adjust the depth of this tool. Our benders also have an adjustable sheet thickness. The standard on the market is 0.8 millimeters. Our hard chrome benders manage up to 1.2 millimeters in sheet metal. This is really a lot, and this is only possible because we use engine quality components, 60 millimeter rods, and hard chrome plated parts. This is a standard set new because we exceed the existing standard by up to 50%. And at the same time, they are easy on the sheet metal too, because the surfaces of the sheet metal is becoming more and more sensitive. There are more coatings, more patinations, more paints, and it's getting harder and harder for the installer to install these sheets without damaging them or leaving marks, anything like this. For this reason, we have improved our bending roller. What we have now is an innovative design that protects the material significantly better. And in our premium line, we even have a longer bending roll, and this is beveled so that this design forms the sheet metal even more gently. The new line is available from now on. Please check with one of your distributors. Thank you very much for your attention today, and please have a great rest of the day.